Hi, I wanted to give you a tip of the way that I work in family mediation and discernment counseling, and any place in client work that I feel like there is hurt and that people feel misunderstood, is I do a 4-step full apology process. And instead of going into conflict, like I did this because you did that, what I do is I have one person, and everybody, if we're in a family context, focuses on that person. If we're in a couple context, we focus on one person, and that person says what happened to them, how it made them feel. And the person who they're wanting to acknowledge and understand how they interpret something actually goes into just replaying back, active listening, and replaying back exactly what they heard their interpretation of an event was, and also reiterating how they expressed it made them feel, and asking, is there any other feelings that came up with that? And then earnestly apologizing. And then the biggest part of a full apology is talking about what you're going to do differently next time. So this is a repair, and repair needs to happen when we get into conflict in relationships, and conflict can be very productive if it's done this way. And the biggest productive piece of it is active listening, being heard, earnestly apologizing, talking about feelings, and then also letting people know what you're going to do differently next time. Repair is possible, but you have to be willing to look at the other person's point of view, put yourself in their shoes. And I promise you, that's the biggest part of healing. And it's the biggest part of being in relationship, is empathizing for the people who you're with.